Hello everyone, we are back with an all new how to do it and how to install video. So some of you have been requesting us to show you how to install your biometric lock after you have received it. So over here we have our biometric lock and some tools that you might need. So the first step is actually to open up your deck using a size 2.5mm drill bit. The reason that we are opening up the deck is because we would like to remove the battery connection to prevent any short circuiting when we are doing our installation. So in order to remove this deck plate, you have to remove the grip tape first. Once that is done, you will find some screws that we can remove. That will help us remove the deck plate. Now that we have removed all the screws, we can now remove the deck plate. So once you have removed the deck plate, you will see the battery and the controller as well. From there we can look for the battery connectors that goes towards the controllers. These are the two connectors. Just unplug them, and that's all you need to do after removing the deck plate. Now we will go on to how we can install the biometric lock. The next step, we will come up to the handlebar, and first we turn on the key ignition to release any electricity inside the capacitor. Unplug the throttle and pull out the throttle. Once that's done, you're left with your key ignition. And you can slide that out as well. So the next step, you will cut the cable tie connecting to the cables. And now you identify which cable goes to your key ignition. Once that is done, just go ahead and use your cutter to cut the wire. You'll be left with 3 wires, the red, black and the green. So now you measure the length of the wire on the biometric lock that you want, and go ahead and cut it. On the biometric lock, you'll find the red, black and the white wire. So first we install the biometric lock on the handlebar. Just gently tighten it first, we can worry about the position later. Here we measure the heat shrink that we will need, and first put it into the biometric lock wire. So now we are just putting some soldering lead on the wires. We're going to cut some small heat strings to put on the wires. Just leave the heat shrink on the wire first, and now we can proceed to solder the wires. So the green goes to the red wire. And finally, the red wire from the original key ignition goes to the white wire with the biometric lock. So now we are just putting the heat shrink on the soldering point and heating them up. Once this is done, we'll put the big heat shrink over all the small wires to protect them and to cover them. Now that's all done. We can can cover up the wires again, bundle them together, and cable tie them. So once you have done soldering and sleeving up the wires, now we can return back to the handlebars and put back all the equipments. So you go with the display first. Then the brakes. With everything tightened in place, you can plug the battery back in and do a test. So reconnect the throttle wire. So you can do a test here once you reconnect the battery. So now you'll see a blue light and you can turn on the display. Once that's done, just cover back the deck and now you have an all new biometric lock for your scooter.